very happy to be back again with another video. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Abies. You're very welcome. For those returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. What will I do without you all? Thanks so much for tuning back. This is me. I love to be happy, guys, because happiness is free. Don't let nothing steal your joy. Just be happy. Relaxing mode, guys. This is what we are now facing in this world. Like, I'm already bored. I'm tired of this whole situation that we are living at the moment. I don't think it's nice anymore. It's not fun. It's not interesting. It's not exciting. It's just boring. So today I thought, you know what? Let me just make myself happy. I'm just bored, you know. I just thought let me do makeup to keep me busy. Just want to wear some makeup. Just feel good about myself. Just to make myself happy. I'm not going out, guys, but I just want to look good. Your girl doesn't have eyebrow. I don't know if you can see that through the camera. That looks so weird, guys. It's a long story. I'll tell you guys about it later in the video, but now just relax with me. Enjoy this video with me. So let's get started. As you can see, guys, your girl, her eyebrows are gone, but there's gonna be transformation now. Let's get on with the quarantine makeup. So now my eyebrow is done, guys. The first thing I'm gonna be doing is my lip balm. It's NYX Bear With Me lip conditioning. I'm gonna be starting first with the eyes, starting with my base. This one is from NYX. Applying a base is gonna make your eyeshadow glide on smoothly and also to make the eyeshadow pop. I'm gonna be using eyeshadow from different eyeshadow palettes today. I'll be taking just one color from this Urban Decay palette, this dark shade. I'll be tapping that in my outer V and then bring it into my crease and just keep blending. I'm gonna be taking this red from my NYX Ultimate palette. I'm just gonna be tapping it on top of that dark shade and just blend everything in. This is more like kind of a coral kind of red. I don't understand the color really. I'll just keep blending until I'm happy with it. I'll be going back with my eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna be applying that on my lid to ensure my eyeshadow pop, like I said before. I'm gonna be taking the silver color from this palette. To be honest, the name is very hard to pronounce. I will take the gold shade from this Bella Perry palette. I'll be tapping that in my outer lid, and I'm just going to blend the both shades together so it will be seamless. So I decided to go back to my Urban Decay palette to take the darkest shade there. I just felt my outer V wasn't dark enough. I really want to create a depth, so the first shade I took did not really do it for me, so I think this one is better now. Blending is the key, guys. Just keep blending. So I'm gonna be moving on to my highlight now. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Sex Kitty. I'm going in with my mascara and then wipe out the excess eyeshadow on my face. I'm gonna go in again with my moisturizer. I did this step before. I decided to reapply again to prepare my face for my foundation. I'm gonna be using my Benefit the Pore Professional Hydrating Primer. I will wear my first lash now, then go in with my eyeliner again to make sure everything blends well together. My eyes are done, like I'm ready. So the foundation I'm using, guys, today is my Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. It's let me share, Cocoa.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing.
Concealer we're gonna be using today, guys. This is Born to Glow concealer.
I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing.
So I'm using my Fenty Beauty Match Sticks to contour my jawline, my forehead, the perimeter of my face. We have to contour everything, guys. And the shade I use is Espresso. Powder I'm going to be using today is my L'Oreal Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm just going to be using this.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting. waiting around. It's a
I'm gonna wipe everything out, guys, because your girl doesn't want to bake today. So the bronzer I'm gonna be using, guys, is my CoverGirl bronzer. So I'm just gonna be using that on the areas that I contour. Perimeter of my face to bronze everything up. Just gonna be using my face powder. So the powder I'm using, guys, is my CoverGirl Queen Lasting Matte Pressed Powder in medium depth. So I felt my under eyes was not bright enough. Then I went to get my Sacha Butter Cup Powder. This is what I'm talking about. It's more brighter now.
hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time.
So I'm gonna be applying my Costa Scent blush. The blush is done. Now we're gonna be doing the highlighting. I'm just gonna be using this eyeshadow that I used earlier on. I'm gonna be using that as my highlight. Yeah.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
So I'm just gonna finish my eyes now. Remember the colors I used earlier on. I will use the same silver eyeshadow to highlight my tear dots. Then I use my black eye pencil on my waterline. Then I went with those eyeshadows I used earlier on. I'm just gonna use them to smoke my under eyes up. If you want to recreate this look, you can skip this step if you don't want to. I'm gonna use my mascara to blend in my false lash and my natural lash. The lipstick your girl is gonna be using today is Nip and Fab. So I really want to go very bold. I want to be dramatic with the drama. I'm doing more like an ombre look, which I don't normally do, but let's do it. Why not? And I'm going to clean up my lips with my foundation. I'm highlighting my nose, my brow bone, and my upper lips with that same eyeshadow. I forgot to use powder on my neck. So this is the look, guys. Complete look. I didn't really tell you guys what happened to my eyebrow. I was trying to groom my eyebrow, and you know the way you're grooming it, you just keep shaving. Before I know, I finished the whole hair. That was how my eyebrows just disappeared. I can't find them anymore. There was nothing I could do. That was what happened. I was shaving the whole thing. You know the way you're shaving, you're just being carried away with the shaving. Before I know, I shaved everything out. It was just a very small bit left. So with the little left, guys, there's no way I can really do my desired eyebrow. I just have to cut everything out. I just want the whole eyebrow to grow out. I'm just waiting for it to grow, so I just have to apply coconut oil there morning and evening. I always just apply coconut oil because I believe coconut oil is going to really help. It's a bit of a struggle because there's nothing there at all. I have to keep just creating my own eyebrow every time I do makeup, so it's really crazy. Let me take out this scarf now. I forgot to use my glitter glue. The glitter went all over the place. I'm going to fix that up by bringing my eyeshadow up to my upper crease. I don't even know why I didn't do that at the beginning really, but I think it's even nicer this way now. I sprayed my finishing spray off camera. This is the final look. This top on and just wear my earring. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just happy this way, like the way we are living our life right now. I just think we don't deserve it. We deserve to be going out, meet family, friends, but life is not just treating us well right now. But I believe by the grace of God, this is gonna be over soon. Trust me, I believe it's going to come to an end because there's nothing in this world, guys, that doesn't have an end. Definitely going to come to an end. So I can't just wait for all this to be over so we can have our life back, going to see families, do what we love, go to places we love to go. Doing this makeup today really brightened up my day. I really enjoyed myself.